Let's learn how to find derivative of natural log. Derivative of natural log of x is equals to 1 over x. Derivative of natural log of a function of x is equals to 1 over function of x, and in the numerator we have to write derivative of the function, and derivative of natural log function of x raised to power n is equals to, first you take this n out of the natural log, so it will become and then you can use this rule, so it will be equals to let's do some example to make it clear. So in this example, I have to find derivative of natural log square root of 5 minus 2x. My solution. So I can also write it as derivative of natural log 5 minus 2x raised to power 1 over 2. And I will take this power out because of the natural log, the power comes down. 1 over 2, I can take power outside the derivative also. Now I apply this rule. So it will be equals to that my function will go in the denominator, and my numerator will have derivative of the function, which is equals to minus 2. And it simplifies to minus 1 over 5 minus 2x, because this 2 and this 2 will cancel with each other. So that's my answer.